Hello. There comes a time when a she-goat gives birth and you find it has little to no milk. So in such a scenario, there are three things you can do. You can either get milk from another goat, use a milk replacer, or buy cow's milk. Or even if you keep cows, you can get it from there. My subject line compares two of these: milk replacer and cow's milk. So which is beneficial to the kid between these two? A milk replacer is a formula, so that means it's manufactured, it's not natural. So definitely cow's milk is better than a milk replacer. So if you consider using a milk replacer, I'd urge you to consider rather use cow's milk, because cow's milk is more nutritious compared to a milk replacer. If you can find another goat to get the milk from, that will be best. But if you can't, go for cow's milk. Enjoy goat farming.